biggest time of the year, so make eyes. Yes, eyes lady. She sounds really nice. I think I might ask her to have a birthday milkshake with me. Hello? Who in the name of eyes is that? Oh no, but he looks really friendly. Friendly? He looks terrible. I'm gonna make him get so far away, he won't even supposed to be coming here again. You're sitting in the Grouch land? But that's so far away. Yeah, perfect. What's happening? What's going on here? What? That's him. Now, back to work. Yes, I was waiting. What? I'm in Grouchland. How did I get here? We don't know no Grouchland. Who are you? I'm Oswald. Okay, can you ignore that, please? It's right there. Think. Wanna come with me? No way, I ain't with us. Come on. I'll make Max snow cones for you. No cones, huh? Okay. Austin, make the ice. Making it right now. Ding dong. Oh, great. Another interruption. Oh, it's that bird again. It's that feather bird again. And look, he brought a can with Grouch with him. They seem friendly. That one doesn't look really, but that one looks friendly. I'm getting rid of these too. Looks like the Grouch plane wasn't far away enough from him. Let's see how he like this. You're sitting into Japan? But that's on the other side of the ocean. Who knows, man? Even on the other side of the world. Yes, perfect. Oh no, not again. What the heck? What? I think we're in Japan? How did I get here? I should get home. I don't know where this place is, but I don't like it. It's too colorful. I wanna go home. Okay. I need to get home. Okay. There's no way home. What? No way home? It was all just a dream? Oswald? Hey.